Hi, my name is Gracia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a perfect wing with these tips. They will always be even. They will look like sisters, not twins. And if you have a shaky or unsteady hand, these tips will help you combat that. So if this is something you've struggled with, just go ahead and keep watching. This is literally the most important rule when it comes to doing your eyeliner. Plant your elbows. When you're an expert, you don't have to do this, but if you're just starting out, this is going to make the world of a difference. If you have really oily eyelids, you're going to want to prime your eyes, because even if you use a liquid waterproof eyeliner, if your oils on your lids come out throughout the day, it's going to break down your makeup and you're going to find it in your crease and just smudged where you don't want it. You're going to want to support your hand on your face either with your pinky or just rest your hand on your face. It's gonna again help stabilize your hand if it's shaky. So I always do the flicks first to make sure that they are around the same length and going up at the same angle. I like to connect the dots and follow the natural shape of my eye and make sure that the wing is underneath the crease line. Otherwise, it can look different when your eye is open. The angle is going to depend on your own eye shape. If your eyes are downturned or more oriental, you can make it more straight or make it flick up more. I tend to typically follow the natural line that is under my eye. I go back and forth and repeat steps because it makes it easier for me to end up with a more symmetrical look. It is also important to know when to stop because eyeliner, just like your eyebrows, they're gonna be sisters and not twins, and you can't just get too obsessed over how symmetrical they are because most people aren't even gonna notice. I always add lashes to this because I have very straight, very short lashes, and when I wear any eyeliner look, honestly even without it, I have no lashes, but it tends to make me look bald. So I like to put lashes to kind of wake my eyes up. So if you want to double check your eyeliner and make sure that it's even, because I know it's hard to see sometimes when you look down it looks different, go ahead and film a video and look down, look to the side, and then you can double check. Watch the video, see what it looks like. You'll see what people see when you look down. You can use Instagram, a video, Snapchat, whatever you want, and just double check it looks good. And the good thing about wearing eyeliner alone is that if you make any mistakes, you can use concealer to clean it up. I got lucky this time. Like I said, with these tricks at the beginning, I rarely mess up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Please remember that wing is not universal. It tends to look better on certain eye shapes better than others. So just be sure to look at your eye, the angles they go. Do they point down? Do they point up? Are they round? Are they almond shaped? And it'll help you decide which eyeliner look is best for you specifically. Yeah, and I suggest right now that we are not going anywhere with COVID and everything, that you just practice, even if it feels like a waste of makeup. Trust me, it's not. Because when you go and you do a bomb ass eyeshadow look and you're like, damn, this would look better with a wing, you're not gonna ruin it, you know? It's just a learning experience, and don't feel silly, because that's what I did when I was 13, and 10 years later I rarely fuck it up. So you'll get there. I believe in you. You're gonna fucking slay when everything opens up, and you're gonna look sharp. So yeah, if you like me as a person, feel free to subscribe. It's free, and I will see you next week. Okay, bye.